moving. I don't know what's going on. You have to stay inside and push your back up?
You gotta push it back up. There's gotta be like working pose.
I'm going next.
Alright, come on, let's go.
I'm in socks, okay? Watch out, there's a slug right there.
It's right there, it's on you. It's chasing you right now. It's gonna get you.
Slug's right here.
Be afraid, just like Uncle Rocky.
I'm actually as closer to you.
Oh.
Alright, who's next?
Me.
Ready? Okay, hey, you gotta break. Yeah, that. Okay, so brace yourself good, alright? Because you don't want to tumble around like a washing machine, okay? Like that.
He's tumbling around like a washing machine. Cameron got a good first time. Right, Cameron? Yeah. Slug. How did I not get that far?
You gotta brace yourself.
And you have to stay in the middle. Oh. You don't want to roll around. You want to keep your hand back.
You want to stay in the middle. You want to brace yourself.
Oh, I love my head was getting dizzy. I'm gonna watch through the hole.
Okay. So push down with your feet too. Ready?
Push forward as good as
Ready?
you can.
There.
You're next, Maddie. Maddie, you're next.
I know. That's for you, Scotty. Bye.
Yourself? You good?
Watch her go down. I'm stepping, Mason. I'm stepping on your sweatshirt. Mason, slow it down.
Whoa.